Yo, what up everybody? Look, that's what I use, my little GoPro. And it looks like today these guys are gonna cut down this tree right here because it's been growing and it's lifting up the sidewalk, so it's a hazard. So it looks like they're gonna chop it down today. Maybe. It's raining though. Alright guys, I'm here at Walmart. Gonna check out the Disney Infinity section because I noticed people are posting that Walmart is releasing some Disney Infinity early, so I'm gonna go there and check it out. Alright, here we go, man. Let's see what they got. Oh, it's on sale on some of the stuff. Oh, here we go. Got Vision. Oh, Ant-Man. Vision and Ant-Man. Let me see what else we got. They got one more. Here are all the sky lizards. But look at that, man. Ant-Man and Vision. Got some amiibos. I got a decent stock. There she is. I found what I wanted.
For more teething rings for them.
Here, Nathan. You said you wanted these. There you go. Olivia's teething. Show me your teeth, Olivia. Show me your teeth. Toys. I do want to get a drone one day, but not this kind. I want the nice one. I don't see anything cool. Okay, this is the vehicle section. I gotta check out the Transformers section. Here we go. This is the more of the manly area, the manly boys. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is cool. This is cool. This is cool right here. Look at that. Totally gonna see the movie though. Na 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 na. Where's the Transformers, man? No Transformers. They suck. Oh, here it is. Ah, look at this scatter shot. Yep. Alright guys, so I was unable to pick up Ant-Man and Vision. Sale not allowed. Sucks. But I do want to stop by Toys R Us later. But before we do that, we're gonna go have some lunch, man. We're gonna have some pokey. I love pokey. And it's right over here, across from Walmart, in the same parking. It's called Pokey. What's it called? Pokey something? Pokey Island. Right there. We go here a lot. Go here a lot now. It's really good. Sucks. I couldn't buy it. Alright, we are done eating some poke. We're gonna get some coffee because these twins are sucking the life out of us. See? There's Nathan. This is nap time, by the way. And then we'll go to Toys R Us and pick up 2 Disney Infinity. You guys don't know, I just started playing Disney Infinity again, 3.0. And I've been playing the community level, so I'm gonna try to play one every single day. And then tomorrow is the big day for Disney Infinity Battlegrounds. I'm gonna do another vlog for that one. All right, let's go get Gabby, and then we'll go to Toys R Us, where a kid can be a kid. Or is that Chuck E. Cheese? No, whatever. All right, there goes the Waffy. No, it's a Waffy. This is where we go, man. We go to the Coffee Bean. This place is so much gooder than the Starbucks. But that's just my opinion, so don't take it. All right, just don't be all mad about it, okay, guys? You got the kids. See that? I can see the kids are here. Look at that. Over there is Olivia to my right and Nathan to my left. Can you see him? Can you see him? They do have a sale on Sky Lizards. $10. Why these are on sale? Oh, that's cool. Look at this. Alrighty, guys, we are back. We are back home. All right, I'm gonna show you what I picked up. Look what else I got. Speaking of Zootopia, I got these Funkos, mystery minis that I got to unbox for the toy channel. So let me show you what I got. I got Nick Wilde. Look at that, man. Is that cool? Look at his face. And Judy Hopps. Heard the movies are really good too. So, you know, Kyle's too old now. He's like 13. He doesn't watch this stuff anymore. So I'm gonna wait till it comes out in Blu-ray or something to watch Zootopia, which is this right here. All right, guys. So there we go. We are done. We are done, and then we're just gonna wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow is the release date for all the cool Disney Infinity stuff, 3.0. So expect to see lots of gameplay regarding Disney Infinity. I got some, yeah, let's see. See, I got some stuff all boxed up. Some more up there. Let me see what I got up here. What is this? Oh yeah. I got Hawkeye back there. I have Hulkbuster. I was looking at Hulkbuster. I don't know where he is though. I got Hulkbuster somewhere. Is he over there? I don't know. But I do have Hulkbuster, but I don't know where he is. But anyways. Alright guys. There you go. Thank you for watching. Be sure to hit the like button. And you guys have a great day. Peace.